Here is metal. Okay, here is metal. But the other part, like here, it's not metal, it's the ABS materials. ABS materials walkie-talkie, even it's ABS materials, but the made by Global-ptt, so it's really high quality one too. Yeah. And you can press the PTT button to send a message out to your team members. Let me test voice. Hello.
Hello.
Let me go to the group, check the member. We can check which member you are talking to. I have so many members here. We can choose the member. Which one you want to talk to? You can mark it, mark the member, and talk to the member. We will mark the G9. Talk to G9. Okay. Talk to G0. Okay, we talk to G0. Okay, now it's ready. Hello.
Hello.
One, two.
1, 2.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Okay, this is the two radios. You can adjust the volume, just rotate this button. So it actually is just a very simple, easy to use walkie-talkie. If you are a company buyer, you buy 10 or you buy 20 or 50, we will set it for you before ship out. We can help you to save a lot of time. Also, you don't need to pay platform fee, so we can help you to save a lot of money. This is Global-ptt. We offer one-stop Global-ptt service. If you order one pair, we will create a company for you in the Global-ptt system, and you can manage the two radios by yourself. As your company become bigger and bigger, we can add more radios for you in your company. They will all be under your control. And here, this one's with SOS. If you meet accident or you need help during your daily or during your work, long press here the SOS. You can trigger the SOS. After you trigger the SOS, the other radios online their SOS alarm. They will be triggered too. Okay. And if you're the manager, you will notice that you can arrange someone nearby for rescue. SOS is for rescue. SOS and the GPS positioning function for the Jesus Plus model. The selling price for this one per pair is $286. Okay, and this is our official price. If you want to order it, you can check the information. You can check the shop and order it. We sell this walkie-talkie in pairs. It's different from the traditional ham radio or GM's radio. This walkie-talkie they works through the 4G cellular tower. Wherever you can pick up the 4G signal, it will work. It's not compatible to the other brand. This way we just use the Global-ptt platform. If you want to talk to another radio, then must register in the same company and same platform. Then you can talk. Yeah. The G6 Plus module made from metal with SOS and GPS version function front. If you like, you can check the shop and order it directly in the shop. I will pass and show you another one. Okay. Another one that I will show you, just as you can see here, this is a mini size one, half of my palm size. This is a G0 model. The G0 model is a mini size one. You can carry it around, put it in your pocket, clip it on your belt, in your bag to use it. It's not heavy at all. It's like 125 grams. Yeah. And this one's different from the big one. It is very simple, single mode. 4G working mode only. If you lost the 4G connection, it will not work. Our selling point here from Global-ptt is first, we are using a global savior, not a local savior. So you can do international call just with the Global-ptt walkie-talkie. This walkie-talkie they are registered in the Global-ptt platform. Okay, and here is the global PTT Savior Center in the United States of America. We also have the Savior Center in Europe, Germany, and Turkey. The Savior Center in Japan, with the Savior Center in Indonesia. It's like a worldwide net. So when you can look in the 4G cellular network, Then you can connect the global CBR center of Global-ptt and this walkie-talkie, it will work. And you have your own company. Global-ptt platform is a closed platform, and our connection type is private line, not public line. Okay, when you use the private APN to talk, it's much stable than the public APN. And you don't worry about the data sharing or data leaking. You can use it seamlessly and it's quite secure. Here is one of our certificates, the RED examination certificate. Let me show you here. Actually, there are many different kind of certificate from Global-ptt or for the Global-ptt radio. This is one of them. If you want to know more about us, you can search Global-ptt. When you search Global-ptt, you will pay attention here. There is a short line in the middle. Short line in the middle. That's Global-ptt. Okay, and this is a RED examination certificate. We get it on December 23rd, 2025, which means actually our radio is really a high standard professional grade walkie-talkie. The price for this small one is 220 US dollar. If you are in England, it will be 168 pounds for two radios with two SIM cards. Yeah, we sell it in pairs. Besides, we offer management account, so you can log in our management system to manage this work walkie-talkie by yourself. Let me show you the company account. Okay, I have an iPad here. I I will show the company account. Yeah, this is a company account. Through the company account, you can modify the user. And you can see here on the left side, there's menu. Yeah, you can create company. You can create groups, not company. You can create groups. When you create groups, it will show on the walkie-talkie. The groups or the channels we can create in one company is 200. Okay, and you can merge the company. For example, you have two companies, you can just use the merge company function here, merge the two companies into one. So all the radios will be under your management. And you can change the user's name, divide the users to different small groups, okay, through the company account. Normally, if you are not a company user or in your company less than 50 users or not many users, we can help you to manage them because we offer the 1 year service for you for free. So you don't need to worry about the management. What I'm saying here is you can use this walkie-talkie. You can manage those walkie-talkie by yourself. So everything it will be under your control. This is Global-ptt. Okay. And here's the G0 module. I highly recommend it for your daily or for your business use. And friend, if you have any questions, you can type it out on the screen. I can answer you here directly. Okay. If no questions, I will just go on the live to show some other models from Global-ptt. Okay. I will pass this one, the G0 model. No more battery for it. We will just charge it. Okay. Okay, next one, I will just show you another one, dial band. You know the dial band, which is always very popular among the a direct client, like ham radio operator. Now in the live who watch our live, most of the clients they are ham radio operator or radio amateur. Yeah. And for the radio amateur or ham radio operator, the G Plus model is quite popular and it's very simple, easy to program than the 528 Plus model. And the quality, the voice quality, this one is the best one actually. Upon testing for more than 1 year, the G Plus model gets more 5-star reviews than the other models, the other dial band one. So friend, if you are looking for a dial band walkie-talkie for your hobbies or you're looking for a dial band walkie-talkie for your workers, construction team to use, G Plus model is the one that I recommend the best. The selling price for it is $399 US. You can check your price if you're from England. The price will be a little bit lower because the GBP, the price, the currency is higher than US dollar. Okay, and let me test the voice. Hello,
Hello.
it's clear, loud voice. And let me show the menu here. First, there is a POC working mode, then analog mode, mix mode, repeater mode. You can see here, POC analog, the mix mode, repeater mode. This is the full working mode. So for this walkie-talkie itself can work as a repeater. Okay, you can use it even you go hiking, forest, wilderness, no 4G. It has analog mode. The frequency is 350 MHz to 520 MHz. And under the 4G working mode, the range is worldwide. It is rely on the 4G public intercom. Within the same card, it will connect automatically. Uh, this is Global-ptt Plus module. It has a very long antenna, so in the case you lost a 4G connection, this one can travel 20 kilometers distance. If you are in the wilderness, it can be a longer distance. Now, and let me show you a kitty board here. I have a kitty board which can explain better. You can see here, this is my kitty board. G Plus model, 4G LTE plus UHF analog. 4G LTE working mode, you can see here. 4G LTE working mode is rely on the 4G public intercom, and UHF analog working mode is rely on the RF signals. It can transmit and send message out by itself because it has analog working mode. And this one, you can set the frequency by yourself just by click the buttons, or you can use your computer. Yeah, connect the keyboard wire, download the APN tools to program it. Today, the free accessories I can included for this walkie-talkie is head mic. The head mic still in the life, I can offer the head mic together, okay, as a free gift. The head mic for this one is Type C, and the head mic it works both under the 4G and under the UHF analog. 4G and UHF analog, two working mode, both can work, and it just works great. Here, head mic. I will not test the head mic because here you can see there's a screw. If you want to use the head mic, you need to remove the screw to connect the head mic here. There's a Type-C interface. There are two PDP button 1 and button 2. Press the PDP button 1, you can send a message out under the POC working mode. Button 2, you can send a message out under the UHF analog working mode. Now let me wear one of the working gloves. Even I wear a working gloves to use it, I will not miss operation because you can see the button here, there's a depth fitting. Okay, it's not the loose one. You will misoperate. Okay, you will mistouch. For this one, no. You need to press hard. And for now, friend, the G Plus model, there's SOS function. You can long press this one to trigger the SOS. For the old model, this one is for backlight. For now, this one's SOS button. Let me trigger it. Long press it. And hard is hard. And you can notice, friends, when I press SOS, the other models, their SOS is triggered too. Not one radio, not the two radios, the whole system, all the radios in the system, their SOS is triggered. SOS is for rescue, it's your lifesaver. Okay, and there is a dispatch account which is compatible with this walkie-talkie. The dispatch account, you can log in on your mobile phone. After you log in on the phone, your mobile phone will become a walkie-talkie. You can use the phone to manage this radio. You can also log in on your computer. Let me show you on my iPad what it look like if you were logging on your computer. Okay, let me show you here. Here is the dispatch system. When I trigger the SOS on the walkie-talkie, you can see there's SOS frame. It is suddenly come out to the screen. And when I trigger the SOS on the radio, the SOS alarm just keep ringing in the whole Global-ptt dispatch system. Yeah. If you're the team manager, you will notice that and you can arrange someone nearby come to rescue. Yeah. It's quite faster than the ambulance or the policeman. Just by one click, send a message, just 1 second, you can send a message out and you let them know you are now in danger, you need help. This is the Global-ptt SOS and the GPS positioning function. For SOS function, you don't need to pastor, you just need to choose the one with SOS, choose the radio with SOS. If you need a GPS position function, the GPS needed to reload every year, $10 per year. Okay, just like the SIM card. The SIM card is $30 per year. GPS is $10 per year for the GPS service. Yeah. SIM card reload, you can reload it by yourself, or you can come to the shop to send a message to the customer service to reload it. Same price, okay, $30 per year per SIM. Hello, welcome, new friend. G Plus model, do you like? If you like, you can check the information. You can order it. Okay. And next one, friend, I will just show you another one. This one's quite popular, and this is a 3 standby. I will show you the screen. What is showing now? Okay. It shows alarm information because this one I just triggered the SOS and it send a message send the SOS alarm to the 528 plus model and it show alarm information on the screen. You will know the location. Just check it on your walkie-talkie. Okay. And here's the package box. It is 3 standby, POC standby, UHF standby, and VHF standby. For POC standby, it's same this one or the one I showed you a while ago. They're all global 4G band. UHF, 4G, VHF. Here's the package box. 4G working mode. The range is worldwide. UHF, VHF analog working mode. The range is short distance. Yeah, it's like traditional GMS radio, which is only good for 10 kilometer or 20 kilometers distance. Good for short distance. Do you like this one, friend? The 528 Plus model. The price for this one without DMR is 520. Okay, for direct payment. If you need DMR, the price for this one is 599 per pair with yearly SIM card. For now, we have a new version with DMR, which is 4G UHF, VHF, and DMR digital mode. Okay, if you don't need digital mode, the price will be lower, 520. If you need a digital mode, it's 599. It's almost $600 for two, not for one. Okay, for the Global-ptt push to talk radio actually it's not very expensive. It's not $5,000, but it can really solve your problem for your team communication, especially for business owner. You don't need to spend, you know, 50 or 50,000 or even $100,000 to buy a walkie-talkie only. For Global-ptt radio, this one is only hundreds. Even with DMI, it's only $300 for one radio, and we including all the services. No platform fee, no other charges. Okay, if you need a digital mode, the one with digital mode for this one, 52 is the plus model, is already available. Okay, with digital mode. If you don't need digital mode, this is the one I'm now holding. This one is the one without digital mode, DMR. Yeah. For the working mode or for all the radios here, I show you they are all 4G push-to-talk radio. For some are dual band, which can work even without a 4G. Some are 3 standby like this one. It works even without a 4G UV band and also a digital working mode, DMR. Okay. It just depends what kind of a radio you need or what business you are doing. For example, you are just use it for your office like office building. The small design one here, like a G9 or P0 model or the G3 model is enough for your daily use. But if you're a policeman or you're a firefighter, you go somewhere, also somewhere there's no 4G reception, no 4G coverage, you need to get the dual band one. The dual band one, I suggest G plus model better. G8 plus model better, the dual band. Okay, and you can choose one with SOS and GPS positioning function. If you need the digital one, for this one, we have the version with digital DMR, but the price is 599. It will be a little bit higher than the plain one without digital. Okay. This one if you like, you can check the link. Okay, check the shop and order it. Yeah. We offer a 30 days free reason return policy. So there's a 30 days for you to test it at home. You can order it, bring it at home, and test it out by yourself. After you test it, you find this is not the one you are looking for, you can return to us. If you like it, you can keep it. We offer a 1 year international warranty. It's international warranty. So no matter you're from Mexico, you're from USA, you're from England, or you're from Germany, you can also enjoy our service. We're doing a worldwide business, and this is our global savior. Global savior. This is our global savior center. Yeah, it's like a worldwide net. Yeah, so wherever you go, as long as you can connect the global savior, you can use this walkie-talkie, friend. Yeah. And friend, if you like our live or you like Global-ptt push to talk radio, you can become our follower, become our subscriber. If I have new models here in the live, I will show you. Okay. Thank you so much, friend. I will just pass this big one and show another one. Another one that I will show in today's live, it is this one, the Metro walkie-talkie K300 model. This is a K300 model. You can check here. The orange button is on and button. Let me turn the radio on. Let me turn the radio on. We will wait for the radio to enter into the group first. Here is the PTT button, push to talk. This is made from metal. It's metal materials. You can hear the sound when you bump it. The sound will be different actually. The metal radios are much durable, and it has much clear and much neat voice. Neat voice means no other noisy voice, or if your surroundings are very noisy, you can still get a very clear, good sound. Okay.
Welcome to the intercom.
And we almost finished our live. Just last 6 minutes, we will finish our live, friend. Thank you so much for your time. Now let me show you this one. It's already entered into the Global-ptt 3 channel. I don't set it through the radio. I set it through the computer. And for our clients, those walkie-talkies, they are out of the box and ready to use. You don't need to set anything. We will set the platform on this walkie-talkie. We will set the company. We will create the company for this walkie-talkie. Okay, it's just like a remote control. It's like your mobile phone. It's more like mobile phone than a traditional walkie-talkie. All the settings is through the Global-ptt platform. You can use this walkie-talkie to talk between your members, only between your members. Yeah. Who are your members? We don't have public line. Who are your members? Your members, they are your team members. For example, you buy 4 radios. The 4 radios, they will be your members. You buy 10 radios. You bought 10 radios. The 10 radios, they will be your members. If you buy 500 radios, 500 radios, they will be your members. Yeah. And for this one now, I joined it to Global-ptt 3 channel. So all the radio in Global-ptt 3 will be the members. No strangers here. I create a company, Global-ptt 1 company, and I create more channels. I created 17 channels for this walkie-talkie just through the computer. If you buy one pair only, you will have one group, one channel. If you buy two pairs, your four radios, you can create more groups. If you buy 10 pairs, you can create more channels. Yeah. And no strangers here. uh, Someone, if you don't know, they want to talk to you, okay, they can't do that before they join to the Global-ptt platform, and they must join your company, then they can talk to you. So it's quite secure actually, especially for business owner. Okay, you don't want your business secret to be scanned by the government or to be scanned by the other competitors. You use this walkie-talkie, you have your own company, and you manage your own company. Yeah, you manage your own company. Yeah, not the third party. You will be the one. Do it by yourself. Here is the RED explanation certificate. This is the RED examination certificate. We passed it in the year 2025, December 23rd. Actually means this radio actually is a high standard professional 4G push-to-talk radio. Okay, there's no data sharing, there's no data leaking. Uses walkie-talkie to talk. Yeah. And this is professional grade walkie-talkie. It's not toy walkie-talkie. Yeah. But if you want to buy radios to play, here we also have the dual band one. We also have the DMR for you to choose. Yeah. There are so many different designs from Global-ptt friends. You can search Global-ptt online. You will find more useful information, including the export we attend over the world in Germany, in England, and also in USA, in Japan, Tokyo, so many countries and cities. You can find the picture, you can find the certificate of Global-ptt. If you want to order this radio to test it out, to try it, to see if this one is high quality or no, you can order it in our lab. Just buy one pair to test it out. For bulk order, if your order is more than 10, I can offer additional 20% discount. If you want to become our agent, we can change the logo sticker to your own brand. Need more purchase, 10 radios. Okay. If you want to get more, your order is more than 100 or 200 units, we can offer a better price. Okay, it truly depends on how many units you will order. The more you order, the price will be better, especially for businessmen. Now let me do last review. Last review, I want to review this one, the V1 module again. For our private car, when we go out to travel, when we're driving, it's hard to use mobile phone to talk to someone. But for this walkie-talkie, you can use it for your trunk, for your trunk, for your bus, or for your private car. You can just by one click send a message to your other team members, to your family, or to your colleague. One click, send a message out. Okay, let me test it. Hello.
Hello.
And you can connect this walkie-talkie to your engine power supply directly. Yeah, there's a power supply for this walkie-talkie. It's round one. We have two kind of power supply. One is the USB type. The other is the circuit lighter. Circuit lighter, the round type one, the power supply, which is much suitable for the trunk. Let me show you the circuit lighter type. This is the circuit lighter type power supply. If you don't tell or before we ship out, we will send you the USB type power supply. If you want this one, you can tell to us before ship out. We will arrange this one. This one's special for the trunk, the safety lighter power supply for V1 model. Good for your trunk to use it. If you need to change in the location for your trunk, you buy the one with SOS and GPS positioning function. If you don't need to change in the location for your trunk, you can buy the basic one. The basic one is cheaper. Okay, you can check it in our shop if you want to order it. The V1 vehicle radio, special design for your car. The size is not big. You can see this is my hand. Okay, and I put it on my hand. This is very mini size one. You can put it for your private car too, for your private car. And there's a management system. You can go to the company account to manage this radio. And I can offer you one free this punch account. You can change in the location of this radio, the walkie-talkie. It's compatible to the other module. The V1 module is compatible to this one, compatible to this one. As long as this radio they are from Global-ptt, we will register them in the same company and you can talk to each other. Don't charge a platform fee. No platform fee, no monthly bills, no other charges. You order it, you can use it for lifetime. Reload the same card only $3. If you don't need it, no need to reload it. Just yearly same card. And if you need it again, you can reload it. For example, for the year 2026, you need it, or 2027, you don't need it anymore, so no need to reload. And start in 2028, you need it again, you just reload it. Then you just start from the day you reload the same card, and it will come back to work again. Yeah, this is the walkie-talkie, the V1 model. Thank you so much, friend. Do you have any questions? This last 1 minute, I will finish our live for you for today. Tomorrow no live because we do the live every other day. So today I do the live, tomorrow no live. The day after tomorrow we will do the live again. And during the live time, I will show the Global-ptt radio and our technology. Also after offer the after sales service. So if you have any other after sales problems. Okay, like your radio suddenly stop work, you can come to me, or you have other problems, or you want to know which one I can introduce for you in the live. Okay, thank you so much. We will finish the live. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day and good night. Bye bye.